So I got a question for you. What do newly minted instrument-rated pilots do on a day where you've got 800-foot ceilings, a little bit of light drizzle, and then the sun starts to poke out of the clouds right here? What do? They go flying. Except we got a little bit of a problem. My plane needs some new radios. So we're not going to go flying in my plane because she's under wraps. We are going to go flying in a friend of mine's plane. He has a beautiful Cardinal, and we're going to shoot a couple of approaches. So here's what newly instrument-rated pilots do. Now, the one piece I want you to take away from this program is notice how busy the radio chatter is around the Washington, D.C. area. If you look at the look on my face, I'm really not struggling, but kind of close to struggling to really stay focused on what I have to do here. So check this out.
And we got to get rid of the flaps before 110, so those are our speeds.
All right. Ready?
Ready to go.
All right. Tell me traffic, Cardinal 22, Cardinal 34150, departing runway 06. Tell me.
I thought I was doing the radio.
Oh, I'm sorry, you do the radio.
Okay.
And we are clear. And we are clear.
Okay, ordinarily a full power run-up before brake release.
Oh, sorry.
Airspeed's alive.
Airspeed alive, mixture in. Airspeed alive on both sides. And 57, 60.
Rotate.
Yeah, wow. I forgot how powerful this thing is.
1030 Charlie is turning right into a right downwind runway 36. Runway 6 for full stop landing.
Retract the flaps. And now we're pitching for 90 miles an hour.
The Doggle Springs, Skydive 1, jumpers way to Canpies, 6,500 below. Use caution, Doggle Springs.
And here we go.
The approach.
That's right.
Stomach approach, Cardinal 34150 is through with maneuvers, and we're heading to 2 Whiskey 5.
34150, roger, maintain VFR on course, advise the airport in sight.
We have the field in sight, Cardinal 34150, maintaining VFR.
150, roger, will you be full stop or in the pattern?
Actually, we're going to do a simulated missed approach and back to this general area after our low approach at 2 Whiskey 5.
150, roger. Frequency change is approved. Standard being cut at all times while you do the maneuver, and just use caution. There's multiple aircraft in the pattern at 2 Whiskey 5.
34150, we'll go.
I overshot that.
Charles, traffic 29501,
behind the curve on that.
Rear south of the cement factory, 2,500 feet doing maneuver in Carroll County. Denver traffic 75 Whiskey is on about 10 mile final. We're just northwest of the field on the VOR.
Now, where does it say...
Oh, second.
Maryland traffic, Cardinal 150 is 8.5 miles to the south. We'll be flying a low approach to runway 2 at Maryland. 69 right, turning high left base, runway 5.
What?
It doesn't say how far I am
Traffic here,
from
okay.
Jax.
Miles northwest.
Well, now from Gilbert.
From Gilbert. So we can do that by setting this up a little differently than it's currently set up. By sense of height, I'm using this.
Left downwind
and for Julius base 20, left drop.
We'll stay away from the runway.
1.8 miles to Gilbert.
To Gilbert. Okay. Oh, to Gilbert, 1.8 miles. All right.
Yeah.
Cambridge traffic.
What altitude can you be at Gilbert?
1,800.
Okay, very good.
Cambridge traffic, 575 Whiskey is on the Alpha.
All right, so let's get this plane into the white arc and get her ready to land.
Okay, before landing checklist. Fuel on the fullest tank. Fuel
Fuel is on the fullest tank.
It's on required brakes.
Brakes are off.
Mixture.
Mixture's full rich.
Prop.
Prop is full forward.
Carb heat.
Carb
Cherokee is in. You want it in or out?
We should put it on. Okay.
Maryland traffic, Cherokee 6635. Juliet is left downwind runway
90 with the
20
flaps up. Short field approach.
And
Maryland traffic,
mile
22 Whiskey,
to...
turning left base, Maryland.
4. Okay, and your MDA after Gilbert.
10 miles to the northwest on the RNAV Alpha for runway 16. 14 Hotel Victor, left downwind 34, handover. Okay, we're traffic moving 5 miles northeast inbound to the left,
Okay.
crosswind, runway 16.
All right, and I am...
Too high.
22 Whiskey, final, drop to Maryland.
No, I'm right on.
Okay, you should start your descent
Yeah.
when you cross the approach.
Yeah.
Maryland traffic, Cardinal 150 is 3.5 miles to the south. Slow approach to runway 2, Maryland.
Skypark traffic, Aircam 721 Tango Sierra, yes,
Low cost runway 2. We do have local traffic. Left traffic, 3 aircraft in the pattern. Okay, we'll probably break off our approach long before we get to the traffic pattern. Cardinal 150. 50, Roger. Thank you. Maryland Unicom.
35 Juliet, left base runway 20, touch and go, Maryland.
Yeah, tell me when to break off and then which way...
You can get down a little bit lower here and just review what we're going to do on our missed approach. And the missed approach calls for...
Maryland traffic 6635 Juliet, turn in final, runway 20, spot 1.
Climbing your right turn to 2000, direct back to Jax.
Okay, break it off at 1,200 feet.
All right.
Correction, left base for 16.
And I'm at 1,200 feet. Hey, get a couple of points there for keeping it in.
5 Whiskey is on about a
All right.
mile final on the RNAV Alpha for runway 16, camera traffic. And 48 Juliet is base 20, touch and go. 4 short field approach,
And we're activated there?
Yep.
So LNAV, GPS.
Plus V.
Right, so... And then right to wall. Okay,
We're going
so
right to, then you will turn to a heading of 059 and track it inbound, and I will monitor our altitude as well. We're still in the 3,500 foot ring, about to go into the 2,500 foot ring. And your course will be shown here.
Yeah, it'll come in, I'll just follow it in there.
And the vertical guidance will appear as well.
Now, will this line up with this green arrow?
Yes, it will.
Oh.
So you see, we're a little bit, course is a little bit to our
I
left.
see it. There we go, yeah.
We're driving to it. This never becomes solid, if that's what you mean. But this one is the one that you follow.
I want to kind of turn into it so I'm not chasing it. Should be 059. There it is.
And if there's no wind, we'd be on a 059 heading. But there's almost always some kind of wind. So, good altitude to be thinking about now is 1,500 right here.
And there we go.
How are you just flying this?
Yep.
Okay, the before landing checklist. Lights on.
All right, let's get our landing lights on, our nav lights on. And
We don't need nav lights in the...
Okay.
The strobes won't work with the landing light on. There's a glitch in there somewhere.
Good afternoon, approach.
And you could go down to 1,300.
We're about 12 miles southeast of Kilo, November Delta Yankee. Would like to pick up SFRA back to Manassas.
All right.
Kevin, just calling. Are you squawking a pre-assigned code, or are you looking for a code?
I'm looking for a code, sir. Kevin 24. I just handed off from...
Yeah, you're one. Kevin is 124.
Following an SFRA back to Manassas.
Yep. 5343. I found it.
All right, great. Great, thank you. 5343, Scavenger 124.
057, 059, 059, 1300. I'm lined up pretty well here.
Goes low altitude, that's because I've asked you to be lower than the approach calls for.
All right, so I'm going to hold it at 1300.
Scavenger 124, your transponder is observed, maintain via front course of Manassas.
And I'll put in a little more power here.
3017 on course back to Manassas, maintain via
I'm
front
used to my plane
124.
speeds.
Others, you can fly at the speed you're used to flying too.
Potomac approach, Cardinal 150 has VKX in sight.
Cardinal 150, change to advisory frequencies approved. Keep transponder coded at all times.
We'll go Cardinal 150.
Traffic 420 uniform on the 45 for the upwind on 10 in Tappahannock County. And Orange County, clear traffic, now 6 turning left, 14, clear traffic.
And Shannon traffic, Pilatus 930 Charlie is on a flyover runway 6, Shannon.
Potomac traffic, Cherokee 3775 Romeo, cross runway 6 at Center Potomac. Orange County, 84 Delta is turning.
Automated in box 3, winds calm, Delta
Winds are calm, we can land on runway 6.
Long base number 2 for runway 8 full stop 1.
Okay, once you intercept the glide slope, you can take it down to the MDA at,
4 Charlie Sierra, up on
let's say 700 feet.
Orange County, 84 Delta is on short. Success high though. We're in departure noise. We're going to head over towards Boston. We'll stay at 10-4. Where are you located?
Happy like a little kid in the candy store right now. And Shannon traffic, Pilatus overflying the field behind the T6s, and Luke, check that we need a smoke system.
Tappahannock traffic, Skyline 9230, off is approximately 4 miles to the south at 2,400, transiting to the airspace.
Not looking out the window.
Tappahannock.
Yeah, we're at 90.
Potomac traffic, Cardinal 150, 2 mile final, runway 6, Potomac.
Oh, a little more flaps maybe?
Yep. Coming down, 20.
And you're at MDA.
And we have runway environment in sight. 700.
Continue.
Continue. All right, how are we doing here? Look at that.
And ground flight, let's push to 122.75, push now.
Has undercarriage mixture, prop, back shoulder harness and switches.
500 feet.
Recommend full flaps.
Full flaps. And we're right on glide path and localizer. Now we're a little low, but this is more precise than the Pappy.
Very nice landing, sir. I got the flaps for you and the carb heat.
My speed was right on there, man.
Yeah, I nailed it. Real nice landing.